Yes, you read the title of this video correctly. I am selling everything. I'm selling the crypto, I'm selling the stocks, and the reason why I'm doing that is because I'm going to be doubling down in real estate. We're going to go over the reasons why in this video, why I think now is the opportune time to do it, and exactly what I have, what I will be selling, and exactly what I'm going to be buying and what I'm going to be doing with that property. I think this video will kind of give you guys a deep idea of what I've been investing in and why and etc. like that. I will be rebuilding these portfolios later, as I'll talk about. But I do think also, I think that right now there's a very crucial point in the markets, and there's a lot of talk with like cryptocurrency, and I think we could be expecting a crash, like a very sharp crash coming, and I want to talk about that too. I want you guys to start 2023 off with a banger, and last thing I want to say in the intro of this video is this is the last video you'll see in this setup with bad lighting and a bad microphone and etc. The next video you see, I'm going to be moving this, I'm going to be setting up the mic, the lighting, etc. So enjoy the last pleb video that you're going to see for a while. And yeah, let's get into it. If you guys want to quickly do me a favor, make sure you guys like this video and you're subscribed to the channel. We are trying to remonetize this, so right now all I need is watch time. We have over 10,000 subs, so thank you guys so much. I appreciate all the support, but we just need the watch time. So if you guys want to watch this video, it's gonna have some educational stuff and it really will help your boy out a bunch. So getting into all this, I want to start with the cryptocurrency. As you guys will see in this image, my cryptocurrency portfolio, at least this one that I trade on, is currently worth about $13,600. I talked about this a lot in one of the past videos, showing you guys the buy-in points and etc. I'm going to be selling this portfolio at roughly a double in only a short couple of months, as you'll see even in the graph. Over the course of a short couple of months, it has basically doubled in value. I did get a lot of really good buy-ins there. Like I did say with cryptocurrency, I do think there is like in my opinion, man, I think there's like this bull trap that's going on. I think things are going to come back down. I do think overall 2023 will be a positive year for crypto, but I think this next couple of months, like the early spring, will kind of be the opportune time to buy. Now, I don't know if I'm 100% correct on that. That's just kind of my strategy. Like I said, I am going to be doubling down going into real estate. So the reason why I'm selling off all of these assets in this video is because I'm currently in contract with a new home, which I'll go into later in the video. But I do think investing in that now is a better time, and I'll explain why that is. Secondly, we're going to be selling off the stock portfolio to buy this home. The stock portfolio has gotten really close to 50,000. I just started this portfolio in 2021 of September. So the fact that it's already accumulated up to almost $50,000 is pretty awesome. But I will be selling off the majority of this portfolio. Now with stocks, I'm not too worried about it because I'll be buying back into the same positions that I'm already in. I don't play any single stocks at all. I would rather play cryptocurrency. They're all mutual funds, S&Ps and global funds and etc. That pay dividends and basically have a guaranteed rate of return. Just really safe play. So I'm not really too worried about what happens in them over the next couple of months, because I will plan on buying back all that I sell after I get money back from the houses and the assets that are paying me cash flow. So let's talk about why I am doubling down on real estate. Why am I doing this? As you guys know, right now there's a ton of fear in real estate. There's people talking about the interest rates, the housing crisis, how it's going to crash. Maybe we'll see 2008 again. Like all this stuff is going on, but here's the real fact and number that is real. The reason why real estate is crashing, there's one single reason. I think most of you guys, you can comment down below. Before I even say this, if you're a smart person, if you know anything about what's going on, one reason why real estate's crashing right now, someone comment that below. I'm actually going to read the comments. I'm curious. The answer is interest rates. The only reason housing market started to crash is because of interest rates. All of a sudden, a house that is worth $400,000 cost almost twice as much to actually buy and maintain as it did a year and a half ago when interest rates were 2.53%. Now you're looking at like the interest rate I got on my new home is a 7.5%, which really, I mean, it's high, but it's fine. Like, I'm not too worried about it. One of my houses has a 9.25 interest rate. So the thing with interest rates is this: the feds do a rate hike or a rate analyzation every quarter, essentially. And from all the studying that I've been able to do on this, there is only one potential rate hike from the Fed actually coming in on interest rates, right? And after that, there will be no more hikes. The only thing it can do is either freeze, which I think is likely. It'll probably freeze for, a couple of time periods, a couple of quarters or whatever. And then after that, it eventually will drop. They're not planning to raise it any more than they do. And I think the next raise will probably be like 0.25, right? So not a huge deal. So the reason why there's been all this decline in real estate is because they've been hiking these rates like quickly, like insanely quick. Like it's like bam, another one, you know, every 3 months. It's like it went up by, you know, some of them went up, I think, by like a whole point, right? Which is insane. So with that change happening, and knowing that we're basically almost at the bottom as far as like how low, or I guess at the top, how high interest rates are going to go, and that's pretty public information, it basically tells me, since that is the core reason why real estate is going down in value, that real estate will eventually bounce back, right? Like as that market freezes, people are going to get used to the new interest rates, right? Like right now, everyone's saying, you know, a 7.5 interest rate that I just said is so bad. But like if you look back even 10 years ago, a 7.5 interest rate was actually pretty good. So a lot of people freak out about that now because that's what it's just what you get used to, right? You get comfortable with your 3% or 3.5% or 2% or whatever it was, that now is 7%. So it looks so bad. But if you actually zoom out on the graph, you realize that a 7.5 really isn't that bad. So as we continue to adapt and get used to this new, you know, 7%-ish interest rate, and notice that it's only going to be going down, people can then again get bullish on real estate. Now, I don't think this is going to happen overnight. I don't think that we're looking for real estate to start skyrocketing, but I think over the next couple of years, once this all balances out, once this is all played out, house prices will continue to go up again. And because of that, I've seen some very opportune deals like this one that I'll show on screen right now. This house is a 5-bed, 4-bath, 2-kitchen home with tons of room for enjoyment, a massive deck, a massive yard. And the best part of all about this house is 2 minutes from the event center in my city, Kansas City, Arrowhead Stadium, where the Chiefs play, etc. There's all these new concerts going on there. There's a bunch of attractions. I'm getting this home at an absolute steal. I got over $11,000 in concessions from the seller to me because I was able to negotiate it, and they're really trying to get rid of the house because everyone's scared of the market. It was just such an opportune buy that I couldn't pass it up, right? Like there's a lot of things that I have going on right now that are adding a lot of stress to me financially. So, you know, I got to sell off all these portfolios and move all this money around to go ahead and buy this home. I think it's going to pay off in a big way, and I think that there's a potential that I might get an entry back into my crypto and even my stocks at a lower price here in about 2 months when I have the capital to rebuy into the positions. So yeah, just a big move that I'm doing. I don't know if you guys agree with any of this, but I feel pretty strongly about the real estate thing. I feel like real estate is going to flatline here soon because the interest rates are going to flatline, and I think that that's going to keep things, you know, where they should be. And then I think from there, the road's only up. I mean, if you look at the trajectory of real estate, I mean, let's look at real estate in 10 years, right? Houses are going to be worth more, rent is going to be worth more, etc. So it's just a good thing to put your money into. So yeah, I'm going to be taking this quick flip of a couple of months in cryptocurrency and dumping it into yet another house. Crypto, man, it's been insane for me. I have my best performing house that did almost 6 figures last year. Bought that purely from crypto profits and just now dumping some more, and it's not buying all of it, but just I think I'm making the right move at the right time. I got some partners working with me on this house, and I will be vlogging this house once this house actually closes late in February, and maybe even potentially in March. And then I will, you know, kind of show the before and after, what we plan to do with it and all that. I'm going to be breaking it down. But once again, thank you all so much for watching this video. I do really, really appreciate all the support. This was just a quick video. I know I haven't posted in a while. Just, man, life has been so busy, but it's been like maybe a week. And I think that's going to be the longest that I ever go without an upload, because I really, really want to dedicate my time and dedication to this channel, talking to you guys about the ideas in the future and what we're going to get to do to continue to grow. So thank you all so much for your support. Make sure you guys have liked the video, subscribe, turn the noties on, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Peace.